Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Morning message is to have a memory day. What I mean by memory day is to share a fun or interesting memory that you've had over your past 8 or 9 years, and then ask your parents, whoever you live with, to share a fun memory with them. And pictures, if you have any pictures that you can think of or you actually have, you can find perhaps, share those too. All right, so I'll start out with my memory, and then we'll get to our story and the message. I'm game ball, a baseball from when I used to play baseball. I played baseball through high school and the year in college, and it has my name on it, my number 12 in 1994. This is from the semifinals against we were the Royals. We played the Orioles, and I wrote on it because I got to keep it. And then after that game, we got to go to the championship versus the Yankees, which was best out of three. We won a game, and then they won the last two games. So we ended up losing the championship when I played baseball that year. But it was fun just to get to that championship, to have that chance to play was amazing. I'd do that all over again. So share a memory. Maybe you have a little artifact like that, baseball, or something that reminds you of a trip you took or something fun you did or interesting you did in your past. Okay, and those are fun any old time, especially on a day like today where it's still snowy and cold, even though it's the middle of April. Okay, no new lessons today as far as the math workbooks go, but I would like to do a couple rounds of extra math, Zern and Prodigy. Keep your math skills sharp. Practice those math facts still, please. Those multiplication and division ones especially. Those will pay off big time for you in fourth grade, and those teachers will love you for it too, at least as far as math goes. All right? Weird but true too. Oh, and also Spirit Day today. Green Valley shirt. They said reading shirt, but I think any old Green Valley shirt, or maybe you have a reading shirt that's not Green Valley, that would be cool too. Try one of those on, take a picture, send it to me, and I'll try to get it to someone to post it for us on our Green Valley website. All right, here we go. Queen Margherita of Savoy ordered the first pizza delivery in 1889. Pizza sounds good. Friday night pizza? Maybe she had the right idea, Queen Margherita. Sea stars don't have brains. And the sea star says, duh. The oldest Valentine in existence was written in the year 1415. Maybe you can message me on that and tell me how many years ago that was. 2020 minus 1415. A little extra credit point for people who do. All right, so that's all I'm going to share from the Weird But True 2 book. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend. We'll start back up on Monday. Keep going with your practice, but take breaks. I know it's cold out, but you know it feels good to get outside, help your folks in the yard, pick up some leaves or sticks, whatever it is. Just get out there, run around, play a game with a friend for a little bit before it gets real cold. Maybe your folks or whoever you live with will treat you to a cup of hot cocoa. I never think I say that in the middle of April, but hot cocoa probably sounds really good right now. All right, have a good weekend. Miss you guys. Bye.